Hello and welcome back, guys. As you can see behind me is a PlayStation 5 Disc Edition. I bought this from Sony Center. The site name is Shopatsc. So that sale happened on 23rd April, I think. And I was able to buy this after spending like 3 hours, wasting 3 hours, trying to refresh. I almost gave hope. But at that last try, I thought just one more try. I just want to try it one more time, and it worked. This is PlayStation 5 Indian variant. It's not American or any other country. This is purely Indian variant. You can see there's a mark for 1 year warranty. It's Indian warranty. If you don't have this mark, your warranty wouldn't work in India. And it basically is an imported model. So yeah, there are few things you should definitely know about these PlayStation 5 because there are a lot of them selling outside with jacked up prices. So first thing, in India only, you need to have this yellow sticker. There are 3 seals. So one is this common seal we get in every single box. And then there is this one seal from Sony itself. You need to have this seal, and there is one on the bottom. This is from Sony too. You need to have these 3 seals, and there should be a yellow blue colored paper inside. And please guys, do not buy from scalpers. Don't need to buy from them. Just wait a little bit. You will definitely get one. First, let me show you my 2 other accessories. So this is Cosmic Red PlayStation 5 controller. It's a new controller and I bought it before I got this. And I also bought a charging station. This is a must-buy accessory. I've seen many videos, and my advice is, guys, buy one more controller so when you run out of battery, you can just very easily just use another controller. So yeah. So 1 year warranty, official price 49,990. So first seal. The main deal. I didn't find that yellow bill yesterday in the box because I actually didn't take it out. But then I went into looking, so I pulled the whole box out, and yeah, this yellow bill was there, and it had another bill from the Sony Center. Alright, so after 1,000 years of electricity outage, I can now finally make this video. So we do get an HDMI cable inside the box. I think it's 2.1. I don't know, we will see. And then we get this power cord. It's Indian style, so we get rounded power plugs. And we also get a Type-C cable, of course, to connect our beautiful, very pretty controller. So this is my first controller ever. This is for the charging station. There's a 3.5mm jack, a microphone indicator. So yeah, this has a microphone. This is a button. This also is a button. You can press these. 2 buttons, triggers. Yeah, feels pretty good, man. One last thing, this is the stand. Oh shit, PlayStation 5 broken in one day. Alright people, moment of truth. I've already broken it. Broken it. Okay, so this is actually really heavy. I don't actually want to break it, you know. First day, broken PlayStation. We don't want that. Alrighty people. So this is a shiny new PlayStation 5. Look at that gloss. I was just trying to figure out how I can set up my PlayStation 5 on my setup. I moved my PC to the right and I'm going to place my PlayStation 5 here so that it hides all the cables from this angle, and maybe I'm just going to push it back a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, so I even used this as a surge protector. I connected it to my UPS and I'm gonna place this somewhere here so that I can power my PlayStation and charging dock, and maybe use 2 other ports in the future, I don't know. So yeah, and one more thing guys, I'm gonna be changing the look of my PlayStation. I think it's a good looking device, but it's not really that good, you know. I mean, compare this to this. It's a plastic box to play games. So yeah, I'm gonna be buying Dark Blades 2.0, probably the black color. You know, removing this. This is so plastic, man. And this gloss, I don't like this. I'm gonna buy a skin for this middle plate, and yeah, from D brand. So stay tuned for that. If you move this thing, so this thing just moves under this, and the cap that was on the bottom of this PlayStation 5, I just removed it and kept it here. You need to make sure that you can see through this hole, and you have this screw with you. Then what you need to do is just place this stand here. Make sure it's somewhere in this position, and you just screw this. That's what we are trying to do. Okay, so the screw they used is not really of a good quality, guys, but it does the job. I just placed this stand, and now I'm gonna set up everything, and I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm done setting up PlayStation 5. It was a lot of work, and this is how it looks right now. So I placed my charging dock here so I can keep my controllers here, and I hope they don't fall. All the cables are just dangling, and the HDMI cable looks really ugly right now. It's going directly into my monitor. It's a 2K 144 Hz monitor from LG 27G850, if you guys want to know. And I'm going to turn on the power. Everything is set. PlayStation 5 ready to rock. Charging dock is on. Controllers are ready. First boot. I think this is the button. I don't think you can see.
Connect your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the... Select your language. English, United Kingdom. Press the cross button to select and the circle button to go back. English, United States. Button. Press cross to select. Continue with the screen reader turned on. No, turn off.
I need to buy an SSD for this. Day 2, and I haven't bought any disc for this PlayStation 5. It's just sitting here. So what I did yesterday was I bought a few games and PlayStation Plus membership for a whole year, which will get upgraded soon in June. So the games I bought yesterday or added to my library is The Last of Us Remastered, Infamous Second Son, Until Dawn, Spider-Man Remastered. I bought that Ultimate Edition, Miles Morales. So I bought Ultimate Edition, which gets you Spider-Man 2 remastered version. I have that, Miles Morales, Ghost of Tsushima, Rift Apart, Uncharted Collection, SpongeBob, Astro's Playroom. By the way guys, this game is really good. Don't sleep on it. I think this is just incredible. So if I have a subscription on Xbox, I get discount if I want to purchase a game. So why doesn't PlayStation let us do it? I really don't get it. This was PlayStation 5 and I like it. You can play most of the games on this. I know you cannot do much on a PlayStation, but this will get your work done. You will enjoy, and I think you should definitely get a PlayStation 5 if you can, because nobody really can. Only some people can. So yeah, this is a really rare console these days. I hope that changes because I want people to play these games. I'll keep buying games when I have money. Because everything is so damn expensive. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this small PlayStation 5 unboxing vlog, first day impressions. I've never been a console guy. I think I like PlayStation now, just for playing games. No master race or console war in this. I don't want to fight stupid people like those. But yeah, we are gamers. Keep enjoying and stay healthy. Peace.